Hello everyone, welcome to watch Section 3, Installation of EMQ Broker in Local Area Network. In this video, I will show you how to install EMQ Broker in your computer. So at first, we are going to visit the official website of EMQ, emqs.io, and then click on Try. The version of my computer is Windows 10 and 64 bits. Click on EMQS Broker and select the version. Here I'm going to select version 2.3.11 and then select your operation system, Windows 10, and then I can download the zip file. After the downloading, you can move the zip file to any place of your computer and then unzip this file. Okay, and then we can copy this file path. Next step is open command prompt of your computer and run as administrator. Going to use cd command to move to this file path and enter bin/emqttd console to start EMQ in console mode. And after that, allow access. Then we can close these windows. Continue to register Windows service. Enter bin/emqttd install to register Windows service. As you can see, a message shows EMQ service is added to system. Then we can start EMQ service. We are going to enter bin/emqttd start. So EMQ Broker is installed successfully on this computer. After EMQTTD service is started successfully, we can visit the web dashboard of EMQ Broker. Open Google Chrome or any browser. Enter the IP address of your computer and press the network port 18083. Then we can enter the web dashboard of EMQ Broker. The default username is admin and password is public PUBLIC. Then we can enter the web dashboard of EMQ Broker. We can look at the client section. If the device is connected to this EMQ Broker, the information will be shown here. It will help us a lot to find out which device is connected to this EMQ Broker. In the next section, we are going to show you how high-volume remote SCADA and database storage work.